So now let me introduce Mr. Yash. Yash, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
About Yash, he is All India rank 113 and he has got he is shortlisted for Nalsar Hyderabad for his law, and he has cleared the exam CLAT. Right now let me ask Yash how he prepared for this CLAT exam. So Yash, can you please tell us that how did you prepare for the CLAT exam?
Okay. So I started off with doing arts in 11th and 12th. Just like every other art student, I was confused what to do now. Then it hit me that my mom had been nagging me since 11th. You should prepare for some entrance exam because every field now has some entrances. But I actually didn't listen to her. But later on, once it realized to me that I should prepare for something, then I did a lot of research, I could say, and then I was pretty sure that law is my option because weighing everything that I knew and I had interest in, law was my way out from whatever it is. And plus arts, there are not many career options through arts, so law was my option. And then about CL, I could say, once I was sure that I'll be doing law, I've been preparing for everything on my own till 10. But then I realized that law, the portion was vast and all my friends had been preparing for it for 2 years. So then I asked a few of my friends and everyone replied they are in CL. So I thought there has to be something about this class. So I came in here with a mindset that okay, the person sitting on the desk would tell me that you can prepare on your own. But then once getting to know about this place and the library that it offers and everything about CL, I realized that I guess I should join this class for a proper guidance. Then I guess I could call it my luck that they had just started the express batch. That is for people who realize that they have to give this entrance very late, that is after 12. So yeah, I got into Career Launcher, the LST Express branch, and it has been an amazing journey from there on.
So how was the faculty experience that you had? How were the faculties? Were they cooperative?
Too cooperative. I guess some of them like Rajiv sir or Hitesh sir, I was a nightmare for them because every day I came in with a bundle of doubts, a bunch of doubts, but every time they solved every single doubt, I would say, and they never said ki kala or I can't do this, because a person he would lose patience if a person comes to him every day and solves the same question again and again. But they were very cooperative and patient, I would say.
And आपने टेस्ट सीरीज तो दिया होगा?
Test series, yeah. The test gym that the CL LST website has.
How was the test series?
The test series, actually I couldn't get through the mock exams, but the test gym that they offer was amazing because they gave the questions section wise first of all, and afterwards they also evaluated our score immediately, as in you just have to submit and you know your score. Right. Plus every answer has its own explanation, so it's like a teacher but at home.
Fine. And as you said, your doubt solving was also
that was the best, right? Yeah.
So anything else you want to talk about CL, your experience in CL?
One thing I would say is this was my second home for the last 2 months because every day from morning to evening I was just here studying. But yeah, not only it was a place, but everything about this felt like home because the faculty, the students that CL has, even the library, everything about this place was like a second home, even the teachers and the test series that they provided us, the set that they provided us, they gave us 4 sets of books of every subject. Everything was very helpful, very helpful.
Yes, I do remember that you were here almost 6 hours a day, I think, 6 to 8 hours. So I have seen, yes, always coming with doubts with the faculties, sitting in library, discussing things. So again, Yash also has worked hard for this journey. So once again, congratulations for getting into Nalsar Hyderabad. Thank you.